Wednesday across the area today. We're going to show you a time-lapse video from our Canfield Fairgrounds camera. We had some high thin cirrus clouds pushing in towards sunset and made for a colorful sunset, a nice one out there earlier on this evening. And our sunset this evening was of course, in the 5 o'clock hour, specifically at 5:12. We're only a couple of weeks away from pre-5 p.m. sunsets, and we are getting into that time of the year, of course, where the days are pretty short. And yesterday or today began what we call solar winter, the 3 months of the year in which we have the least amount of daylight from now through the first couple of days of February. That's what we call solar winter. By early February, though, we start getting into solar spring, and those days get longer at a pretty fast pace late in the winter and early in the spring. All right, we have a pretty good geomagnetic storm ongoing this evening, and although our clouds will increase overnight tonight, this may be worth trying to check out. Check out the northern horizon, especially this evening. Best chance of seeing the northern lights, of course, up towards the U.S.-Canada border, but maybe low on the horizon as far south as the southern Appalachians. And around here, keep your expectations in check, and this may be one of those things where it's better viewed with a camera lens. Even your smartphone camera lens may provide a better opportunity to see a little bit of color on the northern horizon tonight. We drop down to 35 for a while, and then temperatures will rise late as those clouds increase later on tonight. Our qualifier this evening in the Duke Cut Big Dig contest, it's Melanie Payne from Brookfield. Melanie, that's the phone number at the bottom of the screen. You need to call that in the next 21 minutes. It's 1-800-488-9365, and when you dial, hit option 5. So it's been one of those weeks where we have a nice day and then we have a not so nice day, and tomorrow is going to be one of those not so nice days. We'll get off to a mostly cloudy start, and here come the showers for a few hours at least. Noon, 1 o'clock through about maybe 4 p.m. That's the best chance of getting wet. Pretty optimistic that a lot of this will be out of here in time for high school football tomorrow evening, but maybe a stray shower tries to linger into the evening hours. Again, better chance early to mid-afternoon. It'll be a mild day, 58, but a gusty wind, and that's the last time we'll be in the upper 50s for a while. We have some cooler weather, of course, settling in for the weekend and especially into early next week. So not all that chilly for high school football tomorrow evening. That chance for a passing shower, but a lot of areas will be dry. Temperatures in the lower and middle 50s. YSU Penguin game day forecast is YSU returns home at the Ice Castle, 2 p.m. kickoff against Southern Illinois on Saturday. A lot of clouds, but probably no rain for the game Saturday afternoon. Now, beyond that, of course, the story becomes the cold. We'll get off to a dry start this weekend with a mix of sun and clouds for a lot of Saturday. Clouds win the battle towards the end of the day, and clouds win the battle on Sunday as well. And as this pretty potent area of low pressure heads our way, pretty good chance for rain showers Sunday, especially during the morning. Temperatures may fall Sunday afternoon, setting the stage for a much colder go of it as we head into Sunday night and Monday. And the Great Lakes are still pretty warm compared to the average. Most importantly for us, it's Lake Erie, of course, 3 degrees above average with temperatures still in the 50s. The air mass blowing over those lakes quite a bit colder. So this will be a lake enhanced and lake effect snow event. And it's not atypical, of course, as we transition out of October and head into November, particularly during the second half of November. The number of days in which we see snow tends to increase pretty rapidly at this time of the year. Still too early to talk about accumulations, but there could certainly be some impacts, and I kind of suspect, especially late Monday into Monday night, we have a chance for enough snow to cause some problems on area roads. And either way, it's going to be blustery, it's going to be chilly. We're going to stay in the 30s all day Monday. Same thing on Tuesday. We'll shake the snowflakes by midday Tuesday, and the rest of next week will just be kind of back to normal mid-November weather. The kind of winter preview will be over.
Right, yeah, we've been kind of looking at the snow because it's the first flakes of the season, but it's going to be cold with wind chills even lower in the 20s, right?
Yeah, exactly. The wind chill will be a story both Monday, or Sunday, I should say, Sunday night anyway,
right.
And then during the day Monday, and then after that, yeah, it starts to get better, but only by a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow. Winter's coming.
Yep.
All right,
Yes.
thanks, Eric. Let's take a look now at